the quality of products that comes out of our prison enterprise industry so that we can better serve both the inmates with good quality training and equipping them with the necessary knowledge for them to participate meaningfully once they leave prison. We have embarked also on financial and capacity and other forms of empowerment for entrepreneurs to innovate, incubate, and curate business ideas into the next generation and to profitably engage in enterprise in various sectors and at different scales. The Hustler Fund will provide and make affordable funding available to support these enterprises, reduce barriers to accessing funding, and deepen financial inclusion. I am encouraged, therefore, to note that the prison service has placed emphasis in educating and training prisoners in various aspects of agriculture, including irrigation and mechanized farming. I am also happy to see the magnificent handicraft and other items produced by skilled prisoners under the auspices of the prison's enterprises. As we take concerted and robust measures to combat climate change through the restoration of national forest cover, I take this opportunity to commend the State Department for Correctional Services, which has planted 443,000 trees so far in prison institutions across the country. This impressive number excludes the 2,000 trees planted under the Community Service Order Afforestation Program, 5,000 trees planted at the Kianjukini Forest in Kirinyaga County, and the Marmanet Forest Initiative, which aims to plant an additional 100,000 trees. Just to let the prison service to know that it is the commitment of government, and I expect that the prison service will start with the land they have by putting at least 20% of the land they have under tree cover, including fruit trees. I also expect the prison service to participate robustly in the production of seedlings for our program on planting 15 billion trees in the next 10 years. I also applaud the State Department for producing varieties of seeds for different ecological areas. The Cabinet Secretary is responsible for Environment and Interior must effectively coordinate to ensure efficient uptake of seedlings, including initial production, so that no one and no trees overgrow in nurseries. To solve the problem of overcrowding in our prisons, free up land in urban centers for critical public services, and provide more space to accommodate prison population and training facilities, the Cabinet Secretary is responsible for Interior and Public Works have been instructed to urgently develop a prisons master plan, which will be used to identify and develop new and modern prison sites. This will provide ample opportunity to impart necessary skills, training, and education through correctional services in the spirit of rehabilitation and reform. At the same time, I note that more than 10,000 prisoners are serving sentences of 3 years and below. Further, 41% of the prison population is awaiting trial for bailable offenses. All these people need not be incarcerated. It is important for stakeholders in the justice ecosystem to seriously implement alternative dispute resolution and to consider alternatives to imprisonment for relatively minor sentences. I urge the judiciary to provide leadership in this matter and the Attorney General to initiate necessary engagements in this respect.